I graduated in architecture from Bulgaria, and I had a teacher who asked me to design a Japanese garden. I was curious to go and see Japan with these different gardens, tea ceremony rooms, golden pavilion, and so on. And I got a scholarship to go. The scholarship was for 2 years. I thought I would stay 6 months, take pictures, and go back. However, I ended up 13 years. Absolutely the best part of my life. I learned so much about Japanese architecture, and every time I learn a part, I see in the distance another part which I don't know, and I try to learn it. My research started with tea ceremony rooms, but then changed to traditional Japanese townhouses in Kyoto. These townhouses are called machiya, and what is interesting for them is that people will work and live in the same house. Architecture often is called applied anthropology. So my PhD was about when we look at a traditional house, what we can understand about Japanese society, how people interact together, how the family relationship and dynamics go. And I'm going to talk about this in my lecture. I will start with a very brief outline of history of Japanese architecture. Japanese interior space, which is composed in a completely different way than European space. In the second part of my lecture, I will talk about contemporary Japanese architecture because I can see a connection. What I really want to convey in my lecture is why Japanese architecture is so powerful. The materials, they're fragile, paper, clay, wood. So I would like to show the beauty when you wake up and the wind is projecting the shadows of the tree on the paper window, and this is on your child face. How people can live with nature in a much more open way, just to give a flavor of different cultural sensibility.